This is actually really exciting because I've never had a bread box of my own. I mean, I've had them growing up with family. I've never had my own personal one in my own house. So I put this thing together. It looks like it's gonna be beautiful. It's durable and a pretty practical design, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty large capacity. So let's put it together and see just how big it is. So there should be 12 screws. Screwdriver. Look at that. So it's got a little shelf on the top. This is awesome. It's big too. Lots of space. Let's fill it up.